Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we revisit Troy Polamalu, the legendary safety for the Pittsburgh Steelers, whose hair, instincts, and big plays made him a fan favorite and Hall of Famer. But beyond the game, where is Polamalu now? Let's find out. Troy Polamalu played his entire 12-year NFL career with the Pittsburgh Steelers, after being drafted in the first round in 2003. He won 2 Super Bowls, was named Defensive Player of the Year in 2010, and was known for his game-changing plays and unique look, long hair, explosive speed, and an instinctive style that set him apart. In recognition of his career, Polamalu was inducted into the Pro Football Hall of Fame in 2020. His legacy as a Steelers great and defensive icon is secure. Since retiring from playing, Polamalu has largely stepped away from the constant spotlight of game analysis or full-time coaching. He has focused on family, faith, business ventures, and community work. He lives on the West Coast, primarily California, while staying connected to the Steelers and Pittsburgh community in meaningful ways. Rather than chasing a media career, he chose to embrace a quieter role, investing his time into causes such as youth development and community resilience. He co-founded the charity event Resilience Bowl in Pittsburgh, aimed at supporting underserved neighborhoods and giving back to the city that made him famous. Where is Troy Polamalu now? As of now, Polamalu is active as an ambassador for the Steelers and regularly returns to Pittsburgh for charity events and alumni functions. He remains based in California with his family, balancing personal life with philanthropic commitments. While some rumors have floated about coaching or re-entering the football world in a larger role, his public focus remains on community work, faith-based initiatives, and building the next chapter outside the field. His brand and legacy official website, social media presence, continue to operate, helping maintain his influence and connection with fans. Troy Polamalu's journey shows how greatness on the field can transition into impact off it. From the roar of Steelers fans to the quiet work of building resilient communities, his story evolves, but his heart remains rooted in the game and the people he served. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.